How to transfer balance from your Google Play Store to your bank account. Here I will take a reference to the official page here to show you the original details, because there is no direct feature to do the setting or to transfer this to your bank account. You cannot do that, as you can see in this review. You cannot do that. Google Play credit balances can only be used inside your Play Store. They are non-refundable and non-transferable, but I will show you the steps how you can do this from a Google Play account to another account. So simply open the Google Play app on your mobile device, sign into Google account to access the store. On the Google homepage, scroll down until you find the account section and click on payment method link to access your payment setting. Select the payment method option within the payment method section from the Google Play account. In the list of the payment method, look for the Google Play Wallet option and click on it. On the next page, you will find the transfer balance option. Click on it. Now you will be asked to enter the email of the destination account to which you want to transfer your Play balance to do this. Once email has been entered, confirm the transfer and ready. You have successfully transferred your Google Play balance to your another Google Play account. Thank you so much for watching this video.